Good afternoon, guys. You're welcome to this video. So yes, remember I said I'm going to be taking you guys, I'm going to be giving you guys free knowledge, free content, premium content on various skills, aside web design. So today we're going to be talking about graphic design. How can you design, graphics, like, beginner's guide to graphic design. So I'm going to be working on something simple real quick. I don't want this video to be really long, so I'm going to just do something simple. I'm going to just open your eyes to the two apps I use for graphic design. With my smartphone. Most times I use my smartphone to work. Most of the jobs I do is with my smartphone. So I'm going to open your eyes to the two apps I use when it comes to graphics and stuff. So yes, first of all, you have to go. If you don't have Play Store on your phone, I'm sure every Android device has Play Store on their phone. So you open your Play Store app. Where is this Play Store? You open your Play Store app. Okay, you open your Play Store app. So once the app open, we're gonna be using two apps. I'm gonna be using Pixelab. Type Pixelab on your phone. Pixelab. This is it. Pixelab. So I have this app on my phone already. But if you don't have this app on your phone, just quickly download the app. Go to Play Store and type Pixelab. Download the Pixelab. This is how it looks like. Pixelab text on pictures. That is the app. So that's the first app. And then the second app we're going to be using is called remove.bg. Remove.bg. That's the second app. Go to Play Store. The first one is Pixelab. The second one is remove.bg. That is the second app. Now, the first app I told you to download is called Pixelab. That is the app we're going to be using, for the graphic designs itself. While the second app I'm talking about is called remove.bg. This remove.bg is actually used to remove backgrounds from picture. Now, if you have pictures and then you want to attach, or you want to drag the picture to whatever designs you are working on, and then the background is not good enough, the background is bad, and then you want a software that's going to help you remove the background of that picture. So remove.bg is actually the best app or software that you can use to remove the background of any picture. So like I said, two apps we're going to be using, Pixelab, and the second one, remove.bg. So once you have these two apps on your phone, now we're about to start working on something now. So let me open the app Pixelab. Pixelab, locate the Pixelab if you've downloaded on your phone. Install it, and then so I want to quickly start a new section now. So these are the apps looks like. You see all these components, you see all this stuff. So I want to delete this new text now. So if I want to delete this new text, I just come to this place, come to here, open, then you delete it, click on delete. So I want to now change the background of this. The background. I don't want this background. I want something. Maybe let's assume now I want to create a graphic cover or a design for somebody or for a client that wants to run. He has this video course for Facebook advertising. So he wants to run ads. He wants to run ads to people that are to newbies that don't know how to run Facebook ads. Wants to sell this course to them. So I want to use a blue background. So let me now change the background. Now for you to change the background, you would have to come to this. You have to come to this side. Now you come to that side, you click on it, then you see this color. Click on color. Now I want to change the background to blue. Now they have different colors. You have different colors, white, but I want to use blue for this design now. So now this is the blue color. After clicking on the blue, the color you want, now you click on this to save it, to save the color. So you save the color. So now I've been able to save the color. So they have different. Once you download this app, just familiarize with it, just play with it. Definitely you're going to get this whole stuff. Even if I won't be going in depth, I won't be I might not be showing you all of this, so all the old features on all the old thing you can do with the app because of time. I don't want this video to be long enough, but I'm going to show you work on something now. So I want to create a simple graphic cover for a Facebook ad, video course or something of advertising per se. So now let me I want to do something now. So I have this concept in my head. I want to use. So I want to quickly do something now. So I want to draw a shape. Now I want to draw a shape. So I'm just going to click on this. Just watch and see what I'm going to do. I want to click on this. Then I want a circular shape. So this. So this, I want to draw a shape. So this, I want to draw a shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I want the shape. I want it to be white. The inner color to be white. Then I want inside the circle to be blue. Now inside the circle, now this first, what is this thing? Now this first, all this face now controls what is inside there. Yes, all this face controls what is inside there. Why the second face, like this second why this second face controls what is outside the box. So I want the color of the circle inside to be blue. So I come down to here and choose blue. Now this is it. I want to do something now. So now I want to create create an arrow around this circle. Now I want to create after you might have doing this, please ensure you save, please. This is where to save. Click on this icon to save. So I want to save it. Now I want to build some sort of arrow around this design now. So just quickly watch what I'm going to do now. Okay. No, I'm not editing. Save. So I want to create some sort of arrow around this. So I want to make it smaller. So I want to create something simple. Just watch what I'm going to do now. So yes, I'm going to create another like I said I want to create an arrow around this circle. So we're going to be passing a message now. So yes, just watch what I'm going to do now. another arrow. um so now, yes, I'm going to be creating an arrow. Okay. Creating an arrow, like I said, I want to create an arrow around this. So we're going to be passing the message, the clear message. Okay. Let me delete this one. How do I know which is it now? Okay, so okay, another arrow. So yes, so this is exactly a concept I have in my head. So one thing about this graphic design is that you must have the concept in your head before you actually try to work on something. You must have the concept of what you want to work on, how you want to look like in your head. It will be easier for you once you have the concept in your head, than just opening the app and then you just want to design. But once you have the concept in your head, now it is easier for you. Now this is what I'm saying now. I actually created like 4 arrows around. Now I'm going to put a test inside this box. Now this is what I want to draw their attention to. Now, like I remember I said, I'm creating a graphic cover for somebody who wants to run ads on the advertising or the Facebook ad tutorial video course he or she is selling. So now I've actually created this. So now for you to save this content, now look at, if you check this now, you can see that this thing is moving. You can see it's moving, but I want it to actually stay. I want it to I want to lock it so it won't be moving. So you just come to this. Sorry, let me highlight it so you can see. You come down here, whatever you've done, please always come to this side, click here, and then ensure you lock them. You lock them. All the content, you lock them. You lock them. You lock them. Ensure you lock all the content you have. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to lock them. Lock all of them. So you can see they are not moving again. But if I unlock them, you see that it's moving. You can see it's moving. You can see it's moving if it's locked, if it's unlocked rather. So ensure you locked your work, just like you're saving them or you're locking them. So ensure you lock them. See, they can't move again. So now I've been able to actualize the concept I have in my head. So I want to put something inside this box. I want to put a text inside this box. So I'm going to come here now. I'm going to come here. To put the text inside this box, click on here. You see text. Click on add text. And we now come to this side. I want to put the text inside this box. So you click on edit. Now new text now. The contents, what you want it to be. So I want to add okay. Facebook ads tutorials. Facebook ad tutorials for beginners. For beginners. Now this is what I want to be on the box. Inside this box. Now I want this thing to be inside this box. Facebook ads tutorials for beginners. Now I'm going to arrange this whole thing now. So I'm going to arrange them to look more beautiful. So you scroll down to see different options you have. I want the text to be, I want to change the font. You can see font, AB font. Click on fonts. Maybe this one. Let me see. Nah. Okay. Let me check the size. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay. A bit bigger. Okay. Let me change. Oh, sorry. Edit. So I want the beginners to capital letter B. Beginners. Okay. Alright. So I want this to be bold enough. Style bold. Okay. Facebook ads tutorials for beginners. So I think this is okay. So I just come here. Remember what I said. Ensure you lock them so they don't click on the padlock, unlock them. You can see it's no longer moving. So let me delete this. So I want to insert the person's picture. The instructor that is teaching this Facebook ad tutorial course. I want to insert this picture here. So first of all, let me go to. Remember I said the second app you downloaded. It's called remove.bg. So we're going to be using it now. So I want to insert this picture. So I just come down to the remove.bg. Let me show you how you can remove picture background using remove.bg. I don't know. Oh, my network. G app. This is the app. So you click on upload image. Upload image. Click on the image you want to upload. You want to move this back image. So I'm going to get locate this picture I want to use. So I want them to face. I want this I want to remove the background of that image. Background is uploaded already. So yes, done. You can see the background has been removed. I click download. So the background has been removed already. So let me go back to the Pixelab we're working on. Yes, I want to start this now. So plus icon, yeah, click on plus icon. You see from gallery, choose file. Then you go to your gallery, then you the image you want to use. You want to use. So yes, this is the image I want to use. I want to use this. Okay. Yes, I want to use the image. So now I want to add this image here. Okay, let me edit this. Oh, how do I know where this is now? Okay. What I'm doing. Okay. So lock all of them back. So now I want to add this image here. I want to add this image here. Now this is the person that is actually, this is the instructor for this course. So I want to add this image here. So I'm going to put his name, like I've actually added this image here now. So I'm going to lock it so it does not float around. So yes, now I'm going to add his name. I want to add his name. I want to add his name. Sorry. I want to add the name. So I'm going to text now. It's sorry. Name now. Alumona Victor. Alumona Victor. Yes. So this is his name. The name of the instructor. Sorry, I said Alumona. I went to type Alumina. Alumona Victor. Oh. So I'm going to change the font. I want to change the font. No. I want to change the fonts. Alumona Victor. want to make it bold, B style, bold. Right. I want to change the color of this text. I want to change the color. Okay. I think red is okay. It's okay. So yeah. Alumona Victor. Okay. Lock. Okay, so yes, I've been able to like I said, before you start any work, ensure you have a concept in your head. You can see before I started this work, I have a concept of what I want this design to look like, so it was easy for me to be able to put things together. You have a concept of how you want the design, how you want to arrange it. So once you have the concept in your head, it will be easy for you. It will be very easy for you to, within 20-15 minutes, you should be done. So once you have the concept in your head of what you want your design to look like, you won't find it difficult. But if you don't have the concept, that's when you now start, trying different things before you know. But once you have the concept in your head, what you want your design to look like, it will be very easy for you to create something. So yes, I want to add a text. I can't just leave it like this. So I want to add a text. I want to add a text. So learn. Okay. Learn how to create. Okay, let me add a text that says learn how to create. Okay, learn. Okay, let me say Facebook ads masterclass 2021. Okay, this should be the headline. Facebook ads masterclass 2021. Facebook ads masterclass 2021. So I'm going to just I want to change the font, so to make it look more beautiful, I'm going to change the font. Facebook ads masterclass 2020. I want it to be bold. Facebook ads masterclass 2020. Yes, Facebook ads. So I want to change the color. Is there any for me to change the color? Let me change the color. And now maybe I should leave it. Okay, let's leave it white. Let's just use white and blue. White and blue. Okay. So I lock it so it does not. Facebook ads masterclass 2021. Okay. Then I want to do like a subheading. Learn how to create or learn how to advertise on Facebook with your smartphone. Learn how to advertise on Facebook. That should be the subheading. Learn how to advertise on Facebook with your smartphone. Learn how to advertise on Facebook with your smartphone. Okay. Learn Facebook ads masterclass 2021. Learn how to advertise on Facebook with your smartphone. Okay.